Okay, Human Reproduction Life Sciences Grade 12 Exam Questions November 2020 Paper 1 Question 1.4 from DBE. Okay, this is the question 1.4. The diagrams below show structures formed during human reproduction. Okay, you have 4 diagrams. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1.4.1 Identify part A. Okay, 1 mark. 1.4.1 Identify part A. You have part A in diagram 4. Okay, diagram 4 is a sperm cell. Okay, part A is known as acrosome. Okay, acrosome. And the acrosome contains enzymes used to break down the membrane of the ovum. Okay, now question 1.4.2. Name the organelle found in large numbers in part C. Okay, 1 mark. 1.4.2. Okay, this is part C, which is known as the midpiece of the sperm cell. This is a sperm cell and this is known as the midpiece. And the organelles that you find in the midpiece are known as the mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. Okay, and the mitochondria, they provide energy to the sperm so that the sperm can swim or move to the egg cell or ovum. Okay, now question 1.4.3. 1.4.3. Give the number 1, 2, 3 or 4 only of the diagram that represents the following. A morula, so 1 mark. Okay, in A, which diagram represents a morula? Okay, this is a sperm cell in diagram 4, and in diagram 1, this is a blastocyst. Okay, it is a ball of cell having a cavity inside. So when you have a ball of cell with a cavity inside, you know that this is a blastocyst or a blastula. And in diagram 2, you have, this is a zygote. Okay, so you have the nucleus of the sperm cell and the nucleus of the ovum. They fuse, you get this. This is a zygote. And in diagram 3, you have a ball of cell, but you don't have a cavity. So this is not hollow inside. Okay, when it is not hollow inside and you have the ball of cell, it will be a morula. So A is represented by diagram number 3. Okay, and B, structure that will implant in the uterus, 1 mark. Okay, so 3 is a morula. The morula will develop into a blastocyst, and after that the blastocyst will implant in the uterus, structure number 1. And then C, question 1.4.3 C, give the number only of the diagram that represents the following: blastula or blastocyst. Okay, earlier on I told you that this is the blastocyst or blastula. It is a ball of cell with a cavity inside. It is hollow. Okay, so diagram number 1 is the blastula or blastocyst. Okay, diagram number 1. Now 1.4.4, give the letter and name of the part that will enter the ovum during fertilization. 1.4.4, you have to give the letter and the name of the part that will enter the ovum during fertilization. Okay, the sperm cell will go to the ovum, and now when fertilization takes place, the nucleus, this is part B, the nucleus of the sperm cell will enter the ovum. Okay, so the 2 nuclei will fuse. The nucleus of the sperm cell and the nucleus of the ovum will fuse during fertilization. So it is part B, which is known as the nucleus, and this is the nucleus. Okay, now question 1.4.5, name the type of cell division that occurred to produce the structure in diagram number 3. Diagram number 3, you have the morula. The type of cell division is mitosis. Okay, mitosis, not meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell division used to produce the gametes. You have this is the gamete, and you also have the ovum, which is also the gamete. Okay, and we are done with question 1.4 from November 2020. Until next time, I will talk to you soon.